Number 8, find the equation of a line that bisects the acute angle formed by the following line. Given dalawang equation ng line. Calculator techniques. First is solve for the slope ng each line. Then, kunin natin yung theta. Gamit yung formula na to. So, diba, bisect acute angle down. So, let's see. Let's say this is the 36.86. So, the remaining angle will be theta divided by 2. Kasi kung 36 dito, divide pa natin ng 2 for acute. So, makukuha natin theta is 18.43. So, dito na tayo mag-caltet. Mag-trial and error tayo ng M. Bale, ang unknown dito is the M. So, yung nga dito is yan yung greater. Ito yung slope 1, diba? Ayun. Or, ito, pwede din natin gamitin yung 1/2. Pero dito siya sa greater, sa positive side. Diba yung slope ng 1? So, shift solve, makukuha natin yung value ng M, which is 1. Same lang. So, next is gamitin natin yung nasa choices. So, maghanap ng may slope na 1 sa choices. So, as you can see, if gamitan natin to siya ng standard form, itong mga nasa choices, madali lang natin maliquate yung slope kasi yung katabi ng x. Kaya, let's say this is answer kasi kung naka-standard form siya, magiging y is equals to x minus 2. So, x, ang leading coefficient niya is 1. So, meaning ang slope niya is 1. So, this is the right answer kasi ang goal natin is makuha yung slope na 1 na sinip-solve natin. Okay?